Welcome back sa programang Kaya Mo Yan sa DZRH. So, oras na 4:39 ng hapon. Ipakikilala na namin ang aming special guest ngayong hapon, ang first nominee ng napaka-popular na party list, ang One Pacman Party List, represented by Miss Milka Romero. Milka, welcome to the program.
Magandang hapon po, Sir Ricky, and lahat po na nanonood and nakikinig sa Kaya Mo Yan. And good afternoon also, Miss Cory and Sir Emer.
Yes, alam mo.
Hi, Milka. Are you excited? Excited ka na mag-kampanya?
Definitely po. Every day is a new experience, and we try to go on a national level. Of course, this is a national campaign. So excited na excited po kami.
Alam mo,
thank you for having us here.
Alam mo, Cory, kinuha ko na ng tiyempo kasi she's everywhere. At alam ko, Milka, na marami siyempre nagtatanong, Cory, dito sa atin, no? Ano ang nagdala kay Milka na pasukan itong World of Public Service? Di ba? Of course, we all know, Milka, that your father has been there for the past 9 years. At ang One Pacman
yes, po,
napakaraming ginawa. Pero ano ang naging nag-udyok sa iyo na pumasok dito sa pagiging first nominee ng One Pacman Party List?
Yes, so I've been an athlete all my life. One Pacman has always been an advocate for sports and youth development. So bilang athlete and business owner, this experience that I've had is something that we want to pass on to our fellow kababayan, and definitely through our programs and our projects across the nation, we're able to do that for the past 9 years.
Alam mo,
so now it is our... Yes.
Yeah. Alam mo, Milka, marami ka nakikita mga magulang, mga bata, ayan, may mga pictures tayo linalabas. Pagkakausap mo yung mga magulang, ano ang mensahe mo sa kanila sa pagiging atleta ng kanilang mga anak? Kasi nung araw, gusto, di ba, Milka, maging doktor, Cory, maging beauty queen, maging nurse. Pero meron silang bilang atleta, hindi ba, Milka? Meron ding mabuti sa bata, hindi ba? Ano ang mga mensahe mo sa kanila? Sinusunod niya yung mga tips mo, Cory. Go ahead, Cory.
Yung sports regimen niya.
Actually po, when I heard you say about walking, I really believe that every day, small differences, small changes can make the biggest impact as long as consistent po tayo. So walking and running is my current sport ngayon. And syempre, umikot na po tayo sa buong Pilipinas. So it helps po that... to keep in mind to walk.
Ayan, sana, ayan, magtagumpay kayo kasi ang dami namin mga proyektong gusto namin ilunsad tungkol sa kalusugan, through sports, through fitness. I think we are one in our objective kasi gusto namin dito sa Kaya Mo Yan maging mas malusog ang Pilipinas.
Correct.
Definitely po. It's not just for athletes, pero lahat po tayo kailangan ng lifestyle through exercise, and hindi lang po siya physical benefits pero mental benefits as well.
Yun, tama ang sinabi ni Milka. Ano kayang magiging unang proyekto nyo bilang isang congresswoman?
Yes po. So, of course, nakaupo na tayo for the past 3 terms. So, may mga projects and bills na napass na po ni Kong Mikey Romero under One Pacman Party List. We have there the 4 Ps, and of course, the Eddie Garcia Law as well, the Universal Healthcare Law. So, we wish to continue these advocacies, not just through sports also, but health and kalusugan na sinabi niyo po.
Ano yung Eddie Garcia Law na sinabi niyo, binanggit?
Yes, actually po, yung Eddie Garcia is a law for the rules and regulations for the entertainment and movie industry. Dahil po doon kasi lolo ko po si Eddie Garcia, and with unfortunately yung ano pong nangyari, the accident, through the set conditions, we are able to give better rules and regulations for in the movie and entertainment. Also wish to do that for athletes as well, to professionalize careers of athletes. So like what you mentioned, yun po ang one of the biggest laws that we would want to hopefully enlighten.
Gusto namin sana na magkaroon tayo ng tulad ng ginagawa ng ibang bansa na meron silang training camp libre para sa lahat ng mga atleta sa kanilang bansa. Ano kaya magkakaroon ba tayong ganyan?
Yes po. Actually, 3 years ago na naisulat and nagawa na po ang National Academy of Sports na nasa Pampanga, wherein athletes can apply for scholarship and create a career and support through the government. So that's one of the programs that or projects that One Pacman Party List was able to spearhead. Another thing is we want to reach the grassroots level, hindi lang sa Manila na makaka-inspire or motivate ang mga ating kababayan, but all across the Philippines. We would want to have centers for sports.
Kasi alam natin maraming mga may talento sa sports na hindi rin nadidiscover, di ba?
Tama po. Kaya it's very important na ma-identify ng mga magulang and ma-encourage ng ating mga magulang na pwede sila to give children encouragement to learn sports, to excel through sports, and then of course the help of the local government units to give them the necessary benefits bilang atleta. And it really starts po from the grassroots level.
Alam mo, Cory,
Yan ang
binanggit ko kay Milka kasi si Cory Milka always announces beauty pageants. She's involved in so many beauty pageants. Alam mo, Milka, minsan nagpapag-guest pa dito ng mga beauty pageant winners. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, Milka, bakit walang ganong ka-aggressive na search for sports talents? Kasi ang beauty pageants, Cory, di ba, every year, year in, year out.
Ang daming sa Pilipinas. At talagang porsigido kaming lahat.
Is there a lack of that, Milka, na dapat i-push or para maging professional nga, di ba, mga athletes? Baka
yes.
Kailangan...
I believe that it's not a lack, but it's not an implementation. It's more of the agencies are there. It's working together from... makakapag give the opportunity to our athletes and to the youth na pwede pala sila makamit ng career through sports.
Malaki din
ang... Kailangan din ng malaking budget galing sa national government.
Budget din, no, Milka, no? Kailangan...
of course. Of course, that's something that we would definitely advocate for. No. Kaya po, ang function po ng House of Representatives or as a congressman is to justify bakit may budget for such purposes. So, sa party list po, the difference po is sectoral po tayo wherein we represent a sector. So talagang importante to have someone to give a voice to not only for sports but youth development. And hopefully, sana po sa susunod, si One Pacman pa rin yun.
Kasi, Cory, ang kanilang battle cry is champion sa sports. At so far, ang nagiging lead para dito is One Pacman. May tanong dito, Milka, sino ba ang mga kasama mo sa One Pacman party list na ikaw bilang first nominee? Sino pa ba ang mga kasama mo dito?
Yes po. So of course, with our party list, we have second nominee, which is Bobby Pacquiao sa General Santos. So we have a voice po sa Mindanao region as well. So definitely all bases covered kasi purpose po ng party list is nationwide po tayo.
Yes. Alam mo, Cory, galing kay ata sa Palawan recently. May activities ba doon ang One Pacman at ito ba ay magaganap sa ibang area sa Pilipinas?
Yes, so recently we concluded our youth summit naman to champion sports and empower our students that they can balance work, school, and sports as well. So we concluded that with around 5,000 participants. We've also done youth summits and some sports clinics sa Cebu. May-ari rin po kami ako po ng PVL team, which is the Capital One Solar Spikers.
Okay.
So with those resources, we're able to create clinics and programs kasi pati ako na-experience ko na how to form a team. So that kind of mindset we want to give to our kids that they can be professional athletes.
No, alam mo, yung professionalization, Cory, ng athletes, yan ang lacking, at mabuti binanggit ni Milka yan kasi walang pupuntahan unless suportahan ng gobyerno. Hindi ba, Milka? At kung hindi masuportahan yan, hindi sila magsusumikap na maging, sabi nga nila yung Carlos Yulo, di ba? Even yung mga PBA players, kung hindi na suportahan yan, hindi magkakaroon ng mga atletang excelling. And last year, because of Carlos Yulo, talagang, Milka, umakyat, no? Ang awareness ng tao na pwede pala maging gold medalist. Di ba? Di ba ating gusto na magkaroon pa na mas padagdag na mga magbigbigay ng honor sa ating bansa. Di ba, Milka?
Tama po. And aside from having a professional career or being an Olympian, the things that we learn through sports ma-apply naman rin sa habang buhay. So sa work, sa family, yun po these are things that even if you don't want to dream as a professional athlete, you could still use these characteristics in your life habang buhay.
At isa pa, Cory, di ba, campaign din natin, yung iwas droga. Ang laking bagay, Milka, no? Pag nasa involved ang isang kabataan sa sports, na ilalayo mo siya sa droga.
Tama.
Yes po. Being part of a community, this gives you a sense of hindi lang physical but mental health as well. So importante po na we try to be healthier each day.
Iyon. May mga nagtatanong dito, Milka, kasi ang father mo hanggang ngayon active athlete, di ba? Ano ang nagiging conversations yun ni Kong Mikey about athletes and sports in general? Because until now, imagine, Cory, he's competing in the US for in a polo tournament, no? At his age,
US Open. Yes.
Siyang first ever, di ba?
US Polo Open.
US Polo Open at what age? He's already in his 50s. So I'm sure it's very interesting na pag-uusapan nyo sa bahayan, Milka. Kwentuhan mo kami ng mga pag-uusap nyo ni Kong Mikey.
Yes. A parent gives you opportunities, no? And these things you grow with your family, no? And every day he tells us to learn each day. You cannot be an expert in everything unless you continuously learn. So definitely something we appreciate the mentorship that our parents give us.
Hindi mo itatanong, Cory, yung kapatid kasi ni... Okay, go ahead, Cory.
Magkaroon ng isang asosasyon o foundation para sa mga atletang nagwagi, pero syempre matanda na sila. Meron ba kayong like a senior care program for retired athletes?
That's definitely a good idea po, and we can take that in consideration. A program wherein mas sustainable ang after their careers, and we will discuss that with our party list. So that's a good idea.
About, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Kasi yung iba nagfe-fade away. Although yung iba nagiging maswerte, no, Milka, nagiging coach.
Usually po coaching career.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Referees, coaches. So habang buhay na rin po ang sports, you can give back, and that's what's important. That's what's nice with this community. You can teach after you play the sport.
Tama.
Kasi it's now time for them to impart, no, to the younger.
Opo.
Meron akong kaklase, Milka, si Jong Wichiko, and that's his advocacy naman. Meron siyang training program para sa mga coaching, gusto maging coach, after life, after sports, and that's a good idea, no? May tanong dito, Milka, meron ka ba daw schedule na magaganap sa 2 weeks, itong next mga linggong darating?
Yes, of course. We talk to mothers or to children, to students. So it's very continuous lang po ang pag-ikot namin, especially sa Cebu, Bohol, Iloilo, Palawan, and here in Manila as well, and Laguna. So very excited po kami to meet everyone and to discuss and to listen as well. Yun pang very important bilang party list, is to listen to our constituents.
Yes, okay. So,
Ano yung schedule nyo, Milka? Let's say, first day ng campaign.
ayan.
Saan kayo pupunta? Pwede nyo nang i-announce.
Pupunta po tayo sa Bohol.
Ayun.
Definitely, it's very strong support po tayo sa Bohol, and we're very excited to go back.
Yes.
Ayun, partner.
Okay.
Hirap talaga. Kailangan maging fit sa campaign trail, di ba?
Oo, kaya nga
Yes po.
akala ko itatanong mo kanina kung ano ang kanyang ang kanyang ang kanyang
Yes.
dietary
Tatanungin natin ang kanyang regimen. At saka, yan ang mga tips natin para sa mga kandidato at kandidata next week.
Ayun.
Oh, wow.
Hindi kasi
So, i-share nyo sa amin ngayon, Milka, ang inyong tips.
Okay. For me, hydration, water po.
Okay.
Talagang mainit ang panahon and magiging summer na po, and water is definitely your best friend. And of course, walking and checking on each other mentally, of course, it's very draining,
very draining.
and support from your families is mostly important.
Ayun, partner.
of course, siyempre diet din. Hindi pwedeng masyadong heavy, hindi ba, Cory?
O, kasi tuwing...
masarap ang pagkain sa kampanya sa Bohol, Cebu, masarap.
Pinapakain kayo.
Opo, I can't say no to lechon kasi.
Ayun. Bata pa siya, partner.
Pati lang.
Oh, konti
Ayan,
lang,
good
konti
girl,
lang.
moderation.
Ayan. Anyway, Milka, it's been an honor having you. Na sa iyo ang opportunity to give your message and then mention the FB page and where they can contact you for those who want to get in touch with the One Pacman Party List. Go ahead, Milka.
Once again, thank you, kaya mo yan. And sa lahat po ng nakikinig, ako po si Milka Romero ng One Pacman Party List. Kasama po natin si Senator Manny Pacquiao at iba't ibang mga champions sa sports and national athletes para maihandog natin ang advocacy natin on sports and youth development. So hopefully we can ask for your support. Once again, One Pacman Party List, number 22. Thank you.
All right.
Number 22.
Thank you. Don't forget, number
Yan.
22, One Pacman Party List. Milka,
Madali
thank you. Thank you very much. And
Thank you so much,
see you in the
Miss
campaign
Cory.
trail. Thank you. Bye. Yan po si Milka Romero, pinaka-unang nominee. First nominee na One Pacman Party List number 22. It's very refreshing, no, Cory, na we have this young batch of candidates, na? Kasi we need to find the next generation of leaders, Hindi ba? And
Tama.
it's very
Tama
refreshing na
naman. At saka
merong
sports-minded. Iba-iba
sports-minded.
talaga.
Oo.
Pag sports-minded ang isang tao kasi tamang sinabi niyo, partner, the best anti-drug campaign.
Oh, yeah.
Talagang kailangan maging involved ang ating kabataan sa sports.
And parents have a big role. Kaya nung
Yes.
nag-uusap kami, sabi ko, how do you relate to parents, di ba? Na, siyempre, itong anak ko, pwede maging Carlos Yulo, pwede maging Manny Pacquiao, pero more importantly, tama si Milka, yung discipline at yung pagiging sumusunod sa practice, di ba? Yung pagiging disiplinado, nakakabuti yon dun sa buhay na habang nagtatrabaho. Meaning to say, it prepares them for life as a professional. Hindi man maging Olympic gold medalist, pero naging champion naman sa disiplina, lumayo sa drugs, at maging isang responsible citizen ng ating bansa. Yun na yun.
Yes.
Yun na yun. Yun. Andiyan na si Emer. Mukhang nag-jogging muna. Tapos na ba ang exercise mo, Emer? Yung 100 sit-ups.
5,000 steps.
1,000 steps. Ayun. Sa oras natin, 5:01 ng hapon. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa. Meron ka bang i-announce, Cory, mga babatiin before we go on break, Cory?
Sa ngayon, wala pa akong announcement,
Okay.
pero abangan na. Bukas na ang aming site, FB site ng Mutya ng Pilipinas.
Ayun. Okay.
Nag-umpisa ng aming search ng Mutya ng Pilipinas 2025.
Ayun. No. Emer, may babatiin ka pa, Emer? Okay.
Lahat
Salamat
naman
tayo sa
God.
NBT.
Ayan.
Sa NBT,
Oy, thank you.
magpadala ng
Yes.
kopya at
Thank you sa
decoy.
MBT. Okay, tandaan nyo ha, tuwing Sabado, alas 4 hanggang 5 ng hapon, ang paborito nyo programang Kaya Mo
Mo.
Yan
Yeah.
ay
Happy weekend. God bless.
Kaya